Hi folks, here's another painting I've just finished, and this one is available right now on my Patreon page as a step-by-step photo guide tutorial. I've got this big windmill just painted in very simply, silhouetted against the light, sort of stormy looking sky. And then just a few random background details really. Bit of a small flat brush, and then when it's slightly balmy with the rigger brush, probably just overdone it a little bit. I should have just kept them a little bit lower. All these marks in the sky, not in the sky, in the background. So if you head over to patreon.com/Stephen Crane, you'll see about a dozen photographs from a blank piece of paper all the way through to the finished painting. So thanks always for watching and for your support. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again soon.